It burns with blue flame and provides high temperature that can be used for welding purposes.
Very good. Very good. Proud of you. Yes, Yuma.
So acetylene is an unsaturated hydrocarbon which burns with a sooty flame, meaning it doesn't burn completely. So therefore, the sooty flame does not meet the requirement for high temperature required for melting metals. Therefore, extra oxygen is supplied so it can burn completely, and therefore it will burn with a blue flame, and then it will meet the high temperature requirement for melting the metals. Therefore, used for welding purposes.
Very good. So now there is a question that usually came that there are two types of reaction generally comes over it. What are the test of? One is the combustion test. Another one is the bromine water test. Bromine water test. Actually, when we add unsaturated hydrocarbon with ethylene glycol, alkaline KMnO4, which is called Bayer's reagent, it gives ethylene glycol. Just note it down that when we test for unsaturated hydrocarbons, so when we have unsaturated hydrocarbon, we burn it in the presence of water plus alkaline KMnO4, which is a strong oxidizing agent. Then the purple color of alkaline KMnO4 changes to, okay, changes to ethylene glycol. Okay. And the color purple color will disappear. Note it down. And same is for the bromine water test. That for example, if you have CH2 double bond CH2 and if you add bromine gas to it, then it will gives you CH2Br and then CH2Br, and the color of bromine, brown color of bromine, brown color of bromine disappear. Done, you understood? Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the bromine water test, alkaline KMnO4 test, and another one is the combustion test. So we can test the unsaturated hydrocarbon by following ways, that unsaturated hydrocarbons either burns with blue flames. Second is unsaturated hydrocarbons, when we add alkaline KMnO4 to it, then it converted it from purple color disappear. And similarly, when bromine, since it is a liquid at room temperature, bromine is the only non-metal which is liquid at room temperature. That's why we call it bromine water. Water indicate liquid. Okay, here. Okay, got it?
Yeah.
Yes,
This
sir.
is bromine water test. Note it down, bromine water test. So that's all for today. We'll meet you in the next class. Thanks for coming.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye-bye. Take care. Yes, everyone, please turn on the camera.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Everyone, please turn on the camera. Adam, are you in Delhi or somewhere else?
Delhi.
Delhi. Okay. Here are the two questions. Start writing the molecular formula and the names of these. First, you write the names of the above one, only the names. Okay, not the cations and anions. Write the name of this compound and also indicate the which is cation and anion. You can generally the positively charged ions. Like for example, if I'm saying sodium sulfate is the name for this one, sodium will be the anion, sorry, cation, and sulfate will be anion. So write the names of these compound. Write the names of these compounds, and moreover write the formulas of these compounds. Okay, all these first. I'm just coming back in a minute. Okay, so everyone has to note it down, and nobody is allowed to turn off their camera. Okay, it's coming. When you're done, please let me know, okay? Done. You are taking much time. Done, Sara, Bharati, Afreen, Arhan. Done. Yes, done. अरे यार कोई बोल ही नहीं रहा. रैयान, भारती, सारा, आफरीन स्टिल डूइंग.
Yes, sir.
कहाँ तक पहुंचे हो? अप टू वेयर यू हैव डन सारा, आफरीन?
Sir, I'm in 13K.
Do it. अनम कहाँ है? वेयर इज अनम?
Sir, done.
Okay, let's discuss the first question. What's the name of the first compound?
Sodium chloride.
Sodium. Yes, you, Sarah. What's the name of the first one?
Ammonium chloride.
Yes, you, Razi. What is the name?
The hydrochloric acid. Sodium hydroxide.
This is ammonium. This is not sodium. This is ammonium. Ammonium chloride. This is ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride. Okay. This one. Yes, you, Bharti. What's the name of this one?
Magnesium oxide.
Magnesium oxide. Oh, this one is magnesium oxide. This one, Bharti. C.
Sodium sulfate.
Yes, you, Sarah. What's the name of this one?
Sir, sodium sulfate.
Yes. It is sodium sulfate. C is sodium sulfate. Okay. Is sodium. This is A. B is magnesium oxide. C is sodium sulfate. And this one, next one. Yes, you, Afrin. What is next one? D.
Calcium carbonate.
Calcium carbonate. Yes. Nobody has done this one, and this is not in our syllabus. So this is coordination compound. So E is not there. F. What is F? Yes, you, Muhammad Arhan. What is F?
Sodium hydroxide.
Sodium hydroxide. Very good. Yeah. What is G? Arhan. Aram, turn on your camera.
Sir, I'm outside right now.
What is this? A. What is this? What is G? What is G? Yes, you, Hanan. What is G?
It's aluminum chloride.
Yes, aluminum chloride. What is H? Yes, you. Sarah, what is H?
Sir, copper nitrate.
Yes. Copper nitrate. Yes, you, Afrin. What is this J?
Iron sulfate.
Hmm?
Iron sulfate.
It is ferrous sulfide. Iron when has valency 2, Fe has valency 2, sulfide iron so is also 2. Cancel out, you will get ferrous. Ferrous sulfide. And what is the name of this compound? Uh, uh, what is the formula of this compound? Sodium acetate. Anyone in the class who knows the formula of sodium acetate?
CH3.
Hmm?
NaCH3COO.
COO, but we in this acetate ion we write the positive ion here. Okay, like this. The formula will be CH3COONA. This is sodium acetate. Keep in mind that here the negatively charged is written on the left hand side. In other formulas, we write the negatively charged anion on the right hand side, but here we write the on the left hand side. So this is what? Sodium acetate. Sodium acetate. Next, another one. Yes, what is A? 13. What is the formula of this compound? 13A. Sarah? Tell me, what is the formula of this compound? Iron sulfate.
Sir, FeSO4.
Hmm?
FeSO4.
FeSO4. Very good. No. Fe. Iron is having 3 valency here. And sulfate is SO4, which is having 2 valency. So the correct formula will be Fe2SO4. The correct formula will be Fe2SO4 whole thrice. The next one, copper oxide. Yes, you are free. What is the formula for the C? What is the
C.
formula for the C? Yes, this all everyone has written this one. This one, have you written this one?
Yes, sir.
Should I erase this one? What is the form? Copper oxide.
Cu2O.
Cu2O. Yes. Copper oxide. This one. Yes, you Arhan, you have to tell me this. D.
CuO.
Hmm?
CuO.
Yes, CuO. Because the both are going to have 2, they will cancel out each other. So it will be Cu. Oh, yes, zinc oxide. Yes, you, Hanan. What is zinc oxide?
ZNO.
ZNO. Yes, you, Sarah. What is ammonium nitrate?
NH3 NO4.
NH3, NO2? NO3 is the nitrate ion, na? And ammonium is NH4. Yes. So what we have here is ammonium nitrate. So both ammonium and nitrate ion both has 1 valency. It will be ammonium nitrate NH4 NO3. Next, aluminium oxide. Aluminium oxide. Tell me fast. What is the formula for aluminium oxide?
Al2O3.
Al2O3.
O3.
Yes. Aluminium sulfate. Formula for aluminium sulfate.
Al2SO4
Al2
SO4
SO4 whole thrice. Very good. Why? Because aluminium has valency 3 and sulfate ion has valency 2. Because multiply, you will get Al2SO4 whole thrice. Got it? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Next, silver chloride. Silver chloride formula.
AgCl.
AgCl. Very good. Both Ag and Cl has 1 valency. Okay. Done. Now what is mercurous oxide? Mercury has valency 2 and Hg also has. But it is us. Us means Mercury has 2 types of valency, +2 and +1. So when it is us, then we use Mercury's valency as 1. So it will be Hg1 and O2. This will be Hg2O. Next, now it is mercuric. When it is ic, then the valency of mercury will be treated as
2.
2. Okay, when it is ic, it will be greater valency. Okay, like iron has 2 types of valencies. Iron has two types of valencies. One is ferrous, which is 2, and ferric. Ik means more. Okay. So 2 and 3, which is greater? 3 is greater. So ik will be given to the 3. Okay. Got it? And similarly, cuprous is +1 and cupric is +2. This is cupric. Cupric. And this is cuprous. Got it?
Yes,
Got
sir.
it? And one thing you have to keep in mind that similarly, mercury also have two valency, +1 and +2. When it is mercurous, us, then it is +1. When it is 2, mercuric, then it will be 2. Ik is 2. So when it is mercurous oxide, then it will be H1 will be taken as Hg will be taken as 1 and O will be taken as 2. It will be Hg2O. Hg2O. But when it is mercuric, so it will be 2 and O will be also 2. It will be cancel out each other. It will be HgO. So when it is ik, it is 2 more. Okay. So here for mercurous, we will have Hg2O, and for mercurous chloride, so we'll get Hg as 2 and Cl as 1. So it will be HgCl2. Got it?
Yes,
Sodium
sir.
phosphate. Formula for sodium phosphate.
Na3PO4
Na
3PO4.
PO4. Na3PO4. Magnesium acetate. Why? Because Na has valency 1 and phosphate ion has valency 3. It will be Na at magnesium acetate. Acetate ion has valency CS3. COO minus. It is for the acetate ion. You have to keep in mind that acetate ions is always written on the left hand side. Okay, so its valency is 1. Minus sign minus indicate 1 valency. And magnesium has valency 2. So the 2 will be given to this one. You will write CH3COO whole bracket 2 and then magnesium. This is magnesium acetate. Note it down. CH3COO whole bracket 2 and then magnesium.
We're done.
Done. Let's move further. Write down this question and start doing in your notebook this time. Start doing this one. Note the question first in your notebook. Done.
Sir, done.
Is done. Is done. Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Ryan, you done? Okay. So what is the atomic number and atomic mass of A, B, C, and D? What is atomic mass?
Atomic mass is 7 for A,
7 for
and
this one.
atomic number is 3.
Atomic number is 3. Okay. And for B,
For B, it's 17 atomic mass and atomic number 9.
other, other,
Atomic mass 17 and atomic number 8.
and this one.
Atomic mass 18 and atomic number 8.
Okay. Okay. Now it is having 3 proton and 2 electrons. So what does it means? It has loosened 1 electron. It has loosened
Loser.
1 electron because it in the if it is normal atom, so it must have equal number of proton and electron, but it is not neutral. It has loosened 1 of its electrons. So when losing 1 of electron, it will acquire 1 positive charge. So do you think that B is also going to have any charge? B,
Yes, sir.
what
Minus
charge?
charge.
Yes, Sarah. What is the charge on B? What is the charge on B? Sarah,
Sir, minus.
-1 because it has greater number of proton than, sorry, greater number of electron than number of proton. So electrons is 1 more, that will be -1 charge. Okay. Next. Yes. What is C? Does C is having any charge? Ryan?
No,
Afri?
sir.
C is having any charge?
No, sir.
And D?
No, sir.
D is also not having any charge because they have equal number of proton and neutron. Okay, so it is asking that what is the atomic number and mass number we have to tell. Now, which pairs are isotopes? Which of the following pairs are isotopes?
So
Same.
C and D.
C and D. C and D are the isotopes. Why? Because they are having same atomic number but different atomic mass. Yes, mention one is an anion and mention the type of anion. Mention the one is an anion. Which is an ion? This one. It is an ions because it is carrying charge. So it is which name that this an ion. What
Cat.
is the name given to the positively charged and ions?
Cation.
Huh?
Cation.
Cation. And what is the name given to the negatively charged?
Anion.
An anion. So cation and anion. What pair? Write the pairs of isobar in the following table. Pair of isobar.
B and C.
B and C.
B and C. Yes, having same atomic number. So different atomic number but same mass. So these two are B and C are and C. Okay, good. Done everyone?
Yes, sir.
Just do these questions. Write down the questions in your notebook and start with. Done. 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 Ryan, do it fast. Sorry,
Sir, I did,
done. Okay.
but I can't do 18.
You didn't do the 18.
Yes, sir. I
Why?
can't do.
The ratio of
I don't.
mass of magnesium and sulfur in magnesium sulfide is 3:4. Find the ratio of number of atoms of magnesium and sulfide. Number of atoms. Why can't you find out the ratio of atoms? You can find out that the ratio of the mass is 3:4. You know that magnesium has a mass of 24 and sulfide has a mass of sulfur. Sulfur is a mass of 32. So you cut it. What you are getting the ratio here is the mass ratio because we are calculating the mass ratio. So this is the original mass ratio. Original mass ratio is actually 3 is to 3 is to, if you cut it with 8, 8 3 is and 8 4. So it means one magnesium and one sulfur has a mass ratio. When we have one magnesium and one sulfur, then it has a mass ratio of 3 is to 4. Okay. Then what is the ratio of their atoms? It will be 1 is to 1. Simple. Okay. Because one magnesium and the ratio of atoms will be equals to 1 is to 1. Two question number this one. What is the formula for aluminium sulfate, Sarah? What is the formula for aluminium sulfate, Sarah? Done? Yes, anybody in the class can tell me what is the formula for aluminium sulfate?
Al2SO3.
Al2SO4 whole thrice. Okay. So how did you calculate? What's the mass? What mass did you calculate, Afreen? What mass did you calculate?
342.
342. Yes, you, Ryan. What mass did you calculate, beta? Ryan,
Yes, sir.
what mass did you calculate for aluminium sulfate? Hmm?
342.
342. 342. Okay, let's see. Aluminium means 2, the number of atoms of aluminium is 2 and sulfate is 3. Al2SO4 whole thrice. So there is 3 sulfate ion, SO4. Okay, we write it like this way. Now 2 into the mass of 1 sulfate ion is 27, aluminium is 120. 3 into, now we have to write this, sulfur is 32 plus 4 into 16 because 1 oxygen atom has 16 mass. So according to the board mass rule, first we will multiply, then we will add. 14 6 is 64. That is 27. 2 into 27 plus 3 into 32 plus 64. The next step would be 2 into 27 is, actually you can write it, or you can write list 2 into 27 plus this will be 32 plus 64 will be 96. So 3 into 96. Now 2 into 27 is 54 plus 3 into 16 16 into 6 into 3 318 into 6. So you will get 3 into 96. 300 minus 12. 4 3 are 12, yes. 300 minus 12 is 88, 288. 288. And then you add 288 plus 54, you will get 8 and 6. Then 8 and 9, 8 and 5 is 13. And 114. It will be 346. 346. Do it fast.
Sir, 288 plus 54 is 342.
8 and 6. Oh, sorry. It is okay. Sorry. I think it is 6. It is 54. Okay, it is 342. Sure. 342.